Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana's Summertime. So you might have noticed that my hair is straight today. It's usually curly. So if you guys want to see how I straightened my hair, then I just posted the video and it's going to be right up here. So yeah, my hair is straight. I only do this about once a year and I did not want to miss out on the opportunity to show you some of my favorite straight hairstyles. So when it comes to curly versus straight hairstyles, I find that with straight hairstyles I can play around with that sleekness and I can maybe add some small delicate details that might get lost in the volume of curly hair. So the straight hairstyles are a little bit different, I think, than the curly hairstyles. If you've been on my channel before, then you might know how this is going to go. So with my hairstyles videos, I like to just get stuck into the hairstyles, and I might do a voiceover if I feel like the hairstyle needs a little bit of an explanation. So it's not going to be a very chatty video. If you guys would like something a bit more chatty with a bit more personality, then definitely check out the rest of the videos on my channel. There are hundreds. And yeah, if you like this video, then please thumbs it up. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your hair type is. If you like it when I do straight hairstyles, is your hair straight naturally, or is it curly naturally, or wavy, or coily? Let me know, because I feel like most of the people watching this are probably going to have naturally curly hair, seeing as a lot of you guys are going to be my subscribers. Also subscribe, turn on your notifications, and let's jump into the hairstyles. Let's get into it.
Do you think about what you're running from?
This is the first hairstyle because this hairstyle means business. I posted this on Instagram as like a Monday morning vibes hairstyle. It just gives me boss vibes. I feel like a woman who has my life together when I wear my hair like this. So just watch it through carefully again if you didn't catch it the first time. I just really love this hairstyle. I hope you do as well. Let me know if you like this hairstyle in the comment section. This next one is a bit of an interesting take on a messy updo, like a messy bun but featuring a claw clip. So I think this one's great for studying, like maybe you're in the library, maybe you're at work, maybe you're in the office, maybe you're working from home and you just want something really quick that kind of looks really interesting at the same time. So that's where this hairstyle comes in. It definitely looks really messy and you just have to remember that it literally took 10 seconds to do. So if you wanted to spend more time on it, you could definitely perfect it and make it look so much more amazing. But yeah, this is a little 10-second hairstyle. Been loving incorporating hair scarves into my hairstyles lately, so I felt like I needed to include this one. So I am going to take the front sections of my hair and I'm going to flip those over into a little twisted pony, and then I am going to loop a hair scarf through it and incorporate that into a very simple plait. I just think it's a really cute way to do this. It's a little bit more interesting and it just gives me holiday vibes, even though none of us can travel right now. So I really like this hairstyle for that. This next hairstyle is my current fave for going out for dinner with friends or just running errands. It's really easy to do, but you just get so many compliments with this hairstyle. It makes your hair look longer and it's just a really interesting hairstyle, and I think it's really popular right now. So literally all you need to do is just have a bunch of hair ties and just tie them and puff out your hair a little bit. That's it. So easy, and I just really love the look.
I need a whole lot of shit before I can say I made it. Whole lot of love from the homies, so they play it. Whole lot of chin checks tryna beat me down. Seem like life got the muscle, but bitch, I got the crown. They take a shit ton to hope to see the top from the bottle. Shout out to the hometown, I swear I always got them. Spit it for the love, real ones, I can spot them. If you really rockin' with me, then I love you. I'm a mama, I'm a rapper. Out of Watsonville, who would've thought? They try to keep us in the dirt and now they paying the cost. And I'ma spit it for my people till we up at the top. I'm talking every drop, it never stop. You gotta love it, cause this me. Whole lot of love, always what it's gonna be. You gotta love it, cause this me. Whole lot of love, yeah, yeah.
Now that's you doing that?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, so that pretty much sums up my straight hairstyles. Drop a comment down below, tell me which one was your favourite. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!